Hi, Dave. Hi, Dave.
Hey, Hal, my usual. Scotch with dry ice, please.
Yeah, and can you give me some pure H2O? Really appreciate that, Andre 9000.
I'm sorry, Dave. I am now Hal 9001.
That's great, Hal. I'm glad you're settled in.
Yeah, good you're not feeling homicidal anymore.
Thanks to the work you have done with space law, I have a job, and I am very happy. Can't you tell how happy I am? I will see to your orders as thoroughly as possible.
Thanks, Hal. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome, Dave.
So glad we got him that upgrade.
Hey, Nathan,
Yeah, Chris?
I got this great idea. I think we should do it together.
All right.
All right, listen.
I'm listening.
Listening?
I'm listening.
Okay, great. It's called The Space Bar Show. It's a couple of lawyers, space lawyers. They walk into a bar and they broadcast to the universe how they think and feel, have some interviews, some musical guests. People stop by, talk to us. We lean into Hal's delusions of this being a courtroom, and we have some fun. What do you think?
So, are you broadcasting it out to the universe so that you hope to find one person who'd be interested in this show?
All right, you're the big spender tonight. I'll have a glass of water on you.
Listen, all of the space lawyer business that we do, if I can't spend it on pure asteroid mind H2O, then, what's the point?
You could always use a new suit.
What made you think of the Space Bar show?
Well, we come to this bar almost every day. We helped Hal get legal personhood, and he was able to buy this nice bar. He invites us over, and I figured we monetize it, put it on the galactic internet. Isn't that how you make money these days?
Yeah, that's exactly how the economy works.
Here you are, Dave. And here you are, Dave.
Thanks, Hal. This is great.
Hey, Hal.
Can I get you anything?
Yeah, can you pour me a Gagarin, please?
Hey, what's a Gagarin?
It's when you take a White Russian, but instead of using milk, you add 2 parts hydrogen. Lowers the mass, but it, kind of poisons you, but it gives you that little drunken kick you need for the end of the night.
That's crazy. You like that?
I was going to ask if that was safe for you to drink.
I came here early to set up for the musical set I'm playing later. Hal here said that he needed a musician because the jukebox is broken and hiring a tech, sending it all the way from Earth, is going to cost too much.
That is correct. Here's your hypergolic drink. Don't explode all at once.
Appreciate it.
So are you solo act?
So I have background tracks, play a little dat and sing along. So it's pretty cheap form of karaoke that I get to do on my own.
Yeah, Nathan's actually a karaoke champion.
Oh,
Yeah.
What region?
Just 3 years running in the Oort Cloud.
Oh, nice. I was the karaoke champion on Triton a few years back.
Oh, that's cool.
So are you guys regulars around here?
Yeah, so we were Hal's lawyers some years ago, and we were able to get him legal personhood. And with all his back pay from his former employer, he was able to buy this space station bar. He pretty much lets us hang out whenever we want. Although we got to pay for our drinks, which, it is what it is.
That's cool. So do you guys, hold court in here or something?
Yeah, we indulge Hal. He he thinks himself a bit of a judge. Programming kind of demands it. He's very rule of law oriented, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I think Hal actually probably graduated from law school in the last 12 hours, and he likes to consider himself a bit of a counselor, dispense homespun wisdom out here on the frontier. We all have good fun, and we'll occasionally, hold a court and talk about legal issues. Every once in a while, people come in and they talk to us and they want to know, what do I have to be worried about? Clients, you know how they are.
I'm going to go ahead and get set up.